Hello everybody. So what are we going to do this week? The idea is that we are going to start with the PHP validation. If you remember, on the last sessions we did like a small project, okay, on how to generate a password. And on this project we were like looking at how to do loops, how to deal with arrays, and how to create functions in PHP. So now we are going to try to apply all this knowledge to do a validation. But if you remember, we did a validation using JavaScript. On this case, what we are going to do is that we are going to disallow JavaScript, and then we will see how the HTML page actually appears. We will see if we need to do something with this HTML page to make it work, okay, to make it like it's something usable for the user. And then the idea is that we are going to try to reproduce some of the same validation that we have done with JavaScript. We are going to try to do the same thing with PHP. Okay, how are we going to do it? Okay, how are we going to pass all the parameters? Are we going to do it in two files or in just one file? When we've got all the error message, how are we going to show the error message? Are we going to use the same or more or less the same system that we use on the JavaScript, creating an element there and put all the error message there? Then how are we going to change the style? So if you remember, on JavaScript we were showing the error message and then we were putting in red all the labels, so it was another visual thing, so the user knows that there was an error message on there. So how are we going to do that? All right, so this is the idea for this session. Do the validation and more or less the same thing, the same validation that we have done with JavaScript, but now using PHP. And the idea is that doing that, we are going to have our form completely safe, because it's going to do JavaScript validation plus PHP validation. So if someone disables JavaScript or JavaScript is not available on the device that is using, we know that the form is still going to be validated. Okay, so see you on Monday. Bye.